Hello everybody and welcome to Lifestyle Real Estate. My name is Ian and today is my absolute favorite day of the year. It's not Christmas, it's not my birthday, not even Cinco de Mayo puts this kind of smile on my face. No, it's closing day. I just wired $48,000 to our closing attorney, and in a few minutes we're going to take possession of our newest short-term rental project. Now you're probably wondering to yourself, hey, the title says $0 out of pocket. I'm wiring a check for $48,000. What's the deal? Let's go sign some paperwork. We'll head up to the property and I'll explain the math along the way. Let's go. All right, this property is way up on a mountain. It's on a gravel road, and I thought, why not take the Jeep up here? I got my four-wheel drive. I'm pulling a trailer because we're getting ready to start some work today. So here we are, but let me run through those numbers real quick and then we'll go take a look inside the property. So first off, purchase price, $160,000. Next up is the renovation. The second line here, $40,000. So we need a new roof. We need a lot of redecorating as far as kitchens and bathrooms go. And we need some grading on the outside. We got to get a parking area put in here as well. So all in will be about $200,000. But the nice thing here, it appraised as is for $280,000. I thought it would be worth maybe $250,000, so I'm confident that after we get this place renovated, after it's all fixed up, it'll be worth at least $280,000, probably a lot more. So what do I do then? A cash out refinance. So I've got about $40,000, almost $50,000 into this as far as my own cash goes at closing. So I'll do the renovations. I'll go to the bank in 6 months. I'll refinance for $200,000. I'll get my down payment back out, and that's how I'm going to be into this place for no money down. So here it is. We can see right off the bat that roof definitely needs to be replaced. There's some damage on the corner. It's actually original. It's a 1988 roof, if you can believe it's lasted that long. Otherwise, we just got to clean up that porch. We'll rescreen it. We'll add some spindles so nobody falls off the porch. It's a pretty long drop down below. So here is the house. Let's go take a look inside the kitchen. So you can see this place has not been lived in for about 5 years. It's been totally shut in. So not only is it dated, it's a little bit musty in here. Definitely needs a deep clean. Upstairs here, it's like we're at summer camp. So we've got these vaulted ceilings. We've got one bedroom here, and we've got a bathroom upstairs as well. And then in this room, we've got a matching bedroom. So a second bedroom as well. Very nice. You know, we've got these ceilings. We've got the windows that overlook that beautiful view again. So this is what we've got to work with. It's not great. It is dirty. There are a lot of rats right now, a lot of spider webs. It's kind of gross, but I think with a little bit of elbow grease, with a little bit of ingenuity and some nice furniture, nice hardware, this thing's gonna be looking fantastic in about 6 weeks. So it's the middle of August. It's only about 68 degrees up here. There's no humidity, and here's why I think this place was such a great value and why other people passed up on it. So the listing agent listed this room as an office. So she listed the place as a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. I think this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. So technically there's no closet in here, but there is an attached bathroom. And this is a perfect space for guests. But here's where it gets scary. In this bathroom, remember that roof I told you about, 1988? It held up pretty well, but not perfectly. So we've got some water damage here. So that ceiling is going to come out, that sheetrock's going to come out. We're going to do some demolition and really redo that bathroom altogether. And that right there, folks, is why I think we've got a $280,000 property. It's not necessarily the house itself, but the location. We are up here at 5,000 feet in the Blue Ridge Mountain. We are at a neighborhood. It's in a gated community where we've got a golf course, we've got riding stables, swimming pools, and a ski resort. I think this is a year-round vacation destination, and I think this is a top-notch location. So what do you think, folks? Did I get an awesome deal or did I get hosed on a money pit? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think I should do? How should I decorate it? Should I go high end? Should I just get it cleaned up and rented? You let me know what you think, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching.